Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a healthy, super quick breakfast which takes just under 5 minutes to make. Perfect to make in those busy mornings. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using sprouted ragi and amaranth flour in this recipe. Into my saucepan, I'm adding in 1 cup water. Add in 3 tablespoons ragi amaranth flour and mix it with a spoon so that there are no lumps. Add in 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon crushed jaggery, which you can increase or decrease to suit your taste, 1 teaspoon organic cinnamon powder. Cinnamon helps to boost your metabolism, and if you want to know more about the health benefits of cinnamon, please do check my cinnamon tea recipe video to understand more. Links will be updated below this video. Now again give this a mix so that there are no lumps, and then turn on the flame and keep stirring on low flame. Also, we are not using any extra oil in this recipe. Keep stirring on low flame, and as it starts to cook, you can see it's getting thick. And once the porridge is thick and has cooked well, turn off the flame. Add in 3 tablespoons grated coconut. Remember that we are not using any oil in this recipe, and the coconut will give the much healthy fats needed for better assimilation of vitamins and minerals in ragi and amaranth. To know more about the health benefits of ragi and amaranth, please do check my previous videos on them to understand more. For some omega-3s and antioxidants, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon flaxseed powder. So what I did was I just ground raw flax seeds in my small chutney grinder. Now mix all this really well and transfer to a serving bowl. Top it with seasonal fruits of your choice. I'm using 1 chopped apple and sprinkle in half a teaspoon chia seeds for some extra omega-3s. And my super healthy protein and calcium rich porridge is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy and quick breakfast recipe and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.